This video is a guide for logging in to your University of Southern Maine or USM ParkEngage account. If you get stuck and need help, email us at usmparkingservices@maine.edu. To access your ParkEngage account, go to usm.maine.edu/permits. Your screen size may not be the same as what you see here, but the interface is the same whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. Click or tap the Login button at the top of the screen and enter your email address and the password you created when you purchased your first ParkEngage permit. If you're a current student, faculty, or staff member, the ParkEngage portal is unfortunately not part of our single sign-on or SSO family of applications. However, you will still use your University Maine.edu email address to log in. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link to create a new one. Once you log in, your permit account information will appear on your screen. If you don't have an active permit, you'll see a red box that says No Data Available. To purchase a new permit, click the Permit Request link at the top of the page. Mobile users tap the hamburger menu and select Permit Request. All of your current account information will populate in the appropriate fields. If you have an active permit, it only displays your primary vehicle. Click or tap the View All link to see other vehicles registered to your permit. If you enrolled in auto renewal when you purchased your permit, your credit card will be automatically charged when this one expires. You can opt out at any time before your permit expires by clicking or tapping the Cancel Auto Renew button. If you're waiting for a permit request to be approved, you can find it under Permit Requests. You can add or remove vehicles anytime by going to the Vehicle Details section of your account. You can add up to 5 license plates, including motorcycles, and you won't need to switch out your primary vehicle when you park one of your other registered vehicles on campus. However, you can park only one of your 5 registered vehicles on only one of our 3 campuses at a time. To remove a vehicle, click or tap the trash can icon. To add a vehicle, click or tap the Add button. Include any dashes that appear on your license plate, but don't include any spaces, dots, hearts, stars, or other special characters. Select the make, model, and color from the drop-down menus. If your make isn't listed, choose Others and fill in the blanks. Then select the country and state or province of your license plate. Make sure to double-check your vehicle information for any typos or incorrect selections. If your information is wrong, you could receive a fine. To manage your saved credit cards, go to Payment Settings. To delete a card, click or tap on the trash can icon. To add a card, click or tap the Add button, fill in your information, and click or tap Save Card. If you have only one credit card in your account, you must add a new one before you can delete the existing one. To review your contact information on a computer, click the arrow next to My Account at the top of the page and select Profile. On a mobile device, tap the user circle icon and select Profile. To update your personal information, click or tap the pencil icon. Click or tap the Reset Password button to change your password. If you are enrolled in auto renewal or auto pay, that setting is also in your profile. Look for auto pay settings and the toggle switch next to auto pay consent. If auto pay is on, as shown here, your credit card will be automatically charged for a new permit when your current permit expires. Click or tap the toggle switch to turn it off. With the auto pay switch off, as shown here, you will need to manually purchase a new permit when your current permit expires. To return to your permit and vehicle information on a computer, click My Account at the top of the page. Or click the arrow next to My Account and then log out to exit. On a mobile device, tap the user circle at the top of the page and select My Account. Or tap the logout link to exit. You can log back into your account at any time by going to usm.maine.edu/permits. If you have any questions, email us at usmparkingservices@maine.edu.